are 55 kilometers away from Pune on the way to Mumbai. This place is known as a Houses Samparka Abhinava Housing project. My name is Amit Banerjee. I am founder of Samparka organization. Samparka Abhinava Housing Project, which was actually started in the year 2005, and the occupants, they got the house in the 2006. 2005 we decided that we should develop a community where those are the helpless or the poor people of they should get the accommodation, housing, and at the same time they should get the school, medical facility and other basic needs, which is a small market or the shops, so that they can just have one good settlement. That is why Samparka, when contacted the Habitat for Humanity, and Habitat for Humanity, when they agreed with us that they can bring the Jimmy Carter Works project, which will really cater the need of the poor people, and the pilot project of 100 houses, which was launched with the help of Jimmy Carter Work projects by Habitat for Humanity, where we as a local level agency, we organize the families of this area for the rehabilitation and resettlement to this project. The left side is the school, which you can see that this is school which run by Samparka organization. It is a registered school with the government of Maharashtra, where we provide the education to the small children, and most of the children are from this settlement. Right now 90 children, they are attending the school. You can see on the right side, this is the shops, which is owned by all the ladies. Unique part of this settlement is that these houses owned by the ladies of the house, no male is the owner. And when we started this project, ladies with their family member, they work as a volunteer, they give their shramdaan along with the other volunteers who joined for this project to construct the house. Fortunate part of this particular project is that Jimmy Carter himself, he was here for 7 days, and he worked for the house, and that house where he has given his shramdaan, and I followed to him. Thousands of volunteers, they work for the construction, where we work with these village women, village families, village people to construct the house, to give the basic requirement to this family. They got about 350 square foot house, which is a one room with toilet, bathroom, kitchen and one small store place, and also they have given the outside some place where they can keep some external activities, cleaning utensil, keeping water, like that. So the project, which is a very well planned, it has been given water connection, it has been given all sanitation sewage plan, and this plan, that is why this house is little better off, because this part where the house is constructed, it has been very technically proved, which engineers of the Habitat for Humanity, they prepared, and the Jimmy Carter Works USA, the project, they approved this project, and then they work as per the plan, as per the blueprint, and where this family. Samparka did one of the important roles, identifying the families, to bring these families, to generate their own contribution, because about 1,50,000 rupees spent for the construction of the house, where 75,000 money was contributed by the village households, these families who have been allotted, these allottees. These 75,000 were highlighted thanks to the State Bank of India. They initially, because as per the requirement, 25,000 paid to the bank, to the Habitat for Humanity to register. But the poor family, they were not in position to give the 25,000 rupees. Therefore, what happened? State Bank of India, they agreed to give the initial money as a loan to the family, and which helped this family to take this loan and to pay to the Habitat for Humanity as a part of their registration. And then the remaining 50,000 rupees, which Samparka took as a money, which they collected and handed over to the Habitat for Humanity to recycle the money for the other houses for the need of the people. Now these houses which you will see that these families, they have developed these houses because they feel that it is a very ideal, peaceful area. They have their own cooperative society. They have developed a cooperative society where they take the maintenance money which help them to keep the area clean. They have their own committee. This committee, they supervise all the function, water distribution systems. They supervise the power supply systems. If there is any problem with the electricity department and everything, they coordinate with their own committee, and they have the regular meetings. Instead of society, they do the audit of the accounts. So overall, this is the committee of the women, ladies, and they are running it, and they are running it very nice.
How many organizations work with this project?
See, Samparka, who was the local level agency, who is the licensee of this project, along with is Habitat for Humanity. नमस्ते नमस्ते ठीक है थैंक मैं जस्ट एक ये कर रहा हूँ आप आइए ना बात की so Habitat for Humanity, they have actually channelized all the financial resources, and Jimmy Carter, they have the funding agencies. So these three agencies, they work for this project, and this project is running nicely. I can say that many people who have taken us, they are the driver, they are the working in the hotels, they are working in the agriculture, they are working in the various places. Now, because of their fight, their efforts, they are all the year they are having the houses.
If someone want to visit this place, how can it possible?
Anybody can come visit. If they like to call us, they can call us. They can call me.
How can we reach this place?
See, from Pune, they can come by train. Or it is also closely associated with the old Bombay-Pune highway. By road, they can come to this place, and they can come and visit this center.
What called place?
This place is called the Abhinava Gharkul. Actually, there is a Gharkul. Gharkul, that means housing. Okay. And that is the Abhinava Samparka Abhinava Gharkul Yojana.
Village name or
the village name is a Patan.
Patan.
It is only 1 kilometer from Maloli railway station.
Okay.
And you can see that this corner house where the Jimmy Carter works. Jimmy Carter himself worked for this corner house.
Oh, this one.
This front house, you can see.
Oh, wonderful.
So you can see that the way it is spreaded, this is the very clean and neat and clean, the families. And today we have come, even we have not given any information to anybody. But you can see that the way they maintain the cleanliness, sanitation, hygiene, our regular interaction about the disposal of the waste. This is the really good working with the community, where we have a regular meeting with the village women. That is one of the big strengths of behind this project. And whatever, because we don't consider here the male as a decision maker, we consider as the ladies as a decision makers, and they are doing, and that is why I say that because of the ladies, this project is running nicely and excellently.
How many families stay here?
The 100 families. 100 families, they have houses, and you will see that 100 is a pakka 100.
How can you identify or?
See, these are. When we identified, they actually came from our self-help group, and the self-help group where the families, they were identified by their group, because each lady has come from one group where the 20 women are there. These 20 women who decided that who will go and take the housing for this housing opportunity for this area.
Thank you.
Thank you.